Okay, hi everyone. I wanted to hop on and quickly talk about our Cheeky Clean Cream Blush. I wanted to just tell you a few exciting things about it and how to apply it. So first of all, for the cream blush, it comes in 8 different shades. They're all beautiful, perfect for all different skin tones. I just have 3 shades here that I keep in my makeup bag that I use pretty frequently. I use Cider the most probably, just for like a daily use. This is a nice kind of a peachy pink. Havana is another color that I use very often. It's a very true pink. And then for something a little darker, I have Truffle. It's a really pretty kind of a terracotta color. The other shade that I usually wear that I don't have here is called Chai, and it's a really nice neutral kind of caramely color. It's beautiful and it looks really nice on lips too, but I don't have it in my makeup bag for some reason. So I'm gonna wear Cider today, but just to give you like a few little tidbits about the product itself. So as you can see, it comes in this adorable small little compact. I have a sticker on the back so I know which shade when I'm showing these, but it's fits in the palm of your hand, a really nice size. This is post-consumer recycled plastic. So of course, Beautycounter always is working on their sustainability efforts. And the really neat part about this is these little blushes are actually inserts that are refillable. So let me show you how to pop it out. You can take a pin or a safety pin, or I'm using my tweezers. And there's a small little button on the back, and you just will poke the blush out, and you can swap out the little pan for a new one once you run out. So you can keep this part and just order the refillable on the website. And then you'll see it has the shade on the back so you know which one it is. And then when you get the new one, you just pop it out of the container and you put it in like that, and it's a little magnet and it'll just snap right in. And you can close it and put it in your purse or your makeup bag, keeps it nice and clean. What I love about these blushes is they're so soft. So what you do is I usually use my middle finger. You could use your ring finger, but I usually just kind of swirl my finger into the blush just to warm it up a little bit. And then I will smile, because you always want to apply blush kind of on the apples of your cheeks. And really for the technique, it's very simple. You do not have to be a makeup artist to apply cream blush or blush in general. You're just gonna smile, and then you're gonna pat it in and kind of rub it in, pat and then kind of move your finger up. So just continue to kind of pat and move, pat and move. And you can apply more if you want like more color, or you can apply less, if you just want like a very minimal look. The cool thing about this product is it's made with jojoba, which is really great for moisturizing the skin. So it's kind of like you're getting skincare and makeup in one. It's gonna moisturize the skin, so it's gonna feel like a dewy look and not like a greasy feel. If you've ever tried anything with oil, sometimes it can be a little greasy, but this is just beautiful on. I just kind of will apply it wherever I feel like I want some color and some natural flush, and you can see it looks really nice. Again, this is Cider. I'm actually gonna put this on my lips too. That's the cool thing about this product, is it works on your lips and your cheeks and actually your eyes too. You can put a little on the outer bits of your eyelid to give some nice pop of color. But it's just a beautiful product. And again, we have 8 different shades, so something to, fit for everyone. And this is Cider, my favorite, and then Havana, and then Truffle. And then the other one that I use all the time is Chai. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help you shade match, but wanted to just give you that little tidbit on the Cheeky Cream Blush.